Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to solve a problem which came in this year, that is in 2021 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is, which one of the following represents the motion of an object with a positive acceleration? In the graph given in option A, it's a position time graph where it's a straight line. The graph is a straight line passing through the origin. In option B, it again a position time graph and it is parallel to the time axis. In option C, it's a velocity time graph and here the straight line is passing through the origin. And in option D, it's a velocity time graph where the straight line is parallel to time axis. So here let's solve the problem. Here the object is moving with a positive acceleration. Okay, so here is an object which is moving with a positive acceleration. That means its velocity is always increasing. Okay, its velocity is increasing continuously. That is, if its initial velocity was v1, its final velocity can be v2, where v2 is greater than v1. Okay, now we know that the formula for acceleration is is equal velocity, or we can write change in velocity by change in time. Okay, so you can directly go to the option C and D for that, because here only we can see the velocity versus time graph. Okay, so in the option C, the graph is the straight line is passing through the origin. Okay, and in option D, the straight line is parallel to the time axis. So option D says that with increase in time there is no increase in velocity, that is it is same. If this velocity is v, then it is constant with increase in time. Whatever be the time, if it is 0 second, it is 1 second, it is 2 second, it is 5 second, whatever is the time, velocity v is constant. So it cannot be the graph we need. Okay, because we know when an object is moving with a positive acceleration, that means its velocity increases with time. Okay, so this is not the graph we need. Okay, if it was negative acceleration, that means it was retardation or deceleration. For that the velocity decreases. Okay, so it's not the case. We need positive acceleration, right? So in case of positive acceleration with increase in time, okay, with increase in time, velocity increases. That means with increase in time, velocity increases like this. Okay, when time is this, velocity is this, suppose. So we get a point here. When time is this, velocity is this, suppose. So we get a point here. When time is this, velocity is this, suppose. So we get a point here and we get this line. Okay, so the option C is our correct answer for this question. That means option C is the graph we need, which represents the motion of an object with a positive acceleration. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, this solution is clear to you. This is the first video or first solution for a question of this year, that is 2021. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this solution, if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Tada!